Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Greeting, let me introduce ourselves. Class 9 from group 2. I would like to explain the procedure text for trash cans. My name is Tiani.
My name is Wanda.
My name is Salwa.
My name is Ipan. My name is Kara.
My name is Dipa.
My name is Sigit.
Enjoy watching.
Materials: dustbin, plain white, palette, small pen brush.
Instruction. Prepare the trash can, palette, and coin.
Put the paint into the palette.
Prepare the brush.
Start painting.
Dry it.
Instruction. Wipe it again, dirt it again.
Then the trash can is ready to out.
So that no many people litter. Thank you for watching our video. We apologize for any mistakes in word or action. Greeting.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi